Hello everyone, it's me again, Mom Shawie. So today, I received the package I ordered from Shawie. So guys, what do you think are the contents of this package? So as a vlogger, as a live streamer, I need to have this. But guys, I have already have a set of this. So what I have purchased from Shopee is that a microphone stand, and I will be giving this to a recipient to a school where I think they need the microphone stand. So it's my way of sharing back what I have or what I have received. So I choose to give this to the recipient, which I think they need this. So let's unbox this package. So I ordered one set of microphone stand and one set of orchestra stand. So as a singer, because I'm not considering myself as a singer. So as a singer, don't you know that I only have 5% singing talent and 95% guts. So to make it 100%. So that's me, 95% confidence and 5% singing talent. Okay. So guys, these are the packages. These are the contents of the package. So first, I have here a brand new. So on my next vlog, guys, I will be